Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys reasons why you should consider visiting Enugu. For those of you that live outside Nigeria and you intend to visit this country soon and you're thinking of a place to visit, Enugu is a very nice place. I think you should visit. And for those of you that live in Nigeria but you are yet to visit Enugu, so I want to give you reasons or make you see why you should visit Enugu. So the number one reason I think visiting Enugu, or rather relocating to Enugu, is not a bad idea because of the fact that Enugu is family oriented. Yes, Enugu is family oriented. It's good for raising families, good for raising kids. It have this friendly, peaceful environment that is fair enough, that is good for your kids and family. Here in Enugu, there are a lot of places you can go that are nice for your family. There are a lot of activities that are good for kids. You go to the mall, there are so many things for kids to do. You have this nice friendly environment that you can raise your kids and so many activities that they can participate on. So Enugu is really a very nice city or state for you to raise your family. Number two is good roads. Enugu was planned in the early by the British, and Enugu have good road network. Yes, they have good road network. The roads are really nice. Have you been to the enugu-abakaliki road? Like, that road is so good. Like, it's extremely good. And we have so many good roads here. We have so many good roads that the government are work on. They are looking so good and fine. It's not like you won't get to see roads with some potholes, but it is less here. It is minimal. And also they have good maintenance systems. It's one thing to build roads and it's another thing to maintain them. So they have good maintenance system, good roads, and it's nice for driving. You think, as in, I can't wait to start driving, to own my own car and drive around the city of Enugu. It's so nice. I've been to other state, or the state I'm coming from is quite different. Here the citizens obey the traffic light, whereas where I'm coming from, the citizens, they hardly obey the traffic light. They try to ignore it and drive past it. So Enugu have good road network, amazing road network, and good maintenance system. So number three, I'll be talking about the culture and language. Yes, if you're an able person, please consider visiting Enugu. If you're an able that reside outside the east, or you live outside the country, you need to visit Enugu, or consider relocating to Enugu because of your kids. Let them be closer to their roots. Yes, they have their own culture, their own language, which is very unique, and their food. Yes, Igbo people actually have a lot of delicacies. Yes, wonderful, delicious delicacy, varieties of delicacies. So have you heard of Abacha? Yeah. So when you measure Abacha, the state that is known for making the best Abacha is actually Enugu. So if you want to test the best Abacha, Enugu is the right place that should be. Then Okpa, the best Okpa, Enugu is the right place that should be. So for the sake of your children or your family getting close to their roots, for the language, the culture. And number four is transportation. So guys, before I move further, if you are new to my channel and you're here to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do it to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So number four is transportation. Transportation is quite cheap here, yes, because I used to base in Bini and I know the cost of transportation there. But in Enugu, like, I'm surprised, the cost of transportation is very fair. Imagine I was coming from 82 deep and I bought a keke drop to where I live and it was so cheap. I was even surprised considering the distance and all. And also, unlike where I'm coming from, where I used to base, when it's rain, immediately it rains, even if it's just the fact that it drizzle, they immediately increase the cost of transportation. If it was somewhere that normally they normally take you to 400 naira, they double it, it becomes 200 naira. But here in Enugu, it's not like that. Whether it rains or not, the cost of transportation remains the same, and transportation is quite cheap in Enugu. I don't know if because of the fact that you have keke, more of keke around, though other states you have more of cab that run across major city, that run within the city. But yeah, keke run within the city, so transportation is very cheap. Like, the distance I would normally run and pay like the sum of 200 naira, yeah, I get to pay like 50 naira, highest 100 naira, which is very cheap. And affordable. So I give it to them, like big thumbs up on that aspect. Transportation is very cheap in Enugu. Another reason I think you should consider relocating to Enugu or visiting Enugu is the fact that you have lots and lots of beautiful places in Enugu. And guys, that's real. You have a lot of beautiful places in Enugu. Like, there's actually no dull moments here in Enugu. I'm so excited going out because I know I'm going to see lots of beautiful places in Enugu. Like, you have the Nike Lake, you have the Unity Park, you have so many beautiful places in Enugu that you can decide to explore. So guys, if you want to see beautiful places in Enugu, I'm not saying there are no beautiful places in other parts of the country. There are, but Enugu is so unique. There are so many places you can go to cash fun, so many events that you can partake in. Like, it's never a dull moment here in Enugu. It's a place of enjoyment. Let me use that word here. It's a place of enjoyment. It's a place of fun. It's a place where you can cash cruise. So there are so many great things about Enugu. And if you have not been to Enugu, I think you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot on the goodies or the good things that Enugu have to offer. Another reason I'm going to talk about is business opportunity. Yes, I know a lot of you might say, oh, Enugu is known for civil service, more of civil service, more of bank work, more of there are less companies, more of ministries and all that. But there are great business opportunity in Enugu. You just have to settle that and grab the one you want to grab. You just have to settle that, observe your environment, and you will find out that there is lots of business opportunity that you can actually take advantage of. Okay, for instance, let's take the real estate business. The real estate business is actually booming in Enugu because you have different estates in Enugu. Apart from Lagos, and I don't really know if there are other states that are really doing on real estate the way Enugu does. For instance, I've been to some states like, before coming to Enugu, like where I used to stay, there was nothing like real estate. There's nothing like a place where the rich stay. Okay, the only place we know where the rich stays is actually the GRA, and there's no estate there. Just you go there, get land, and build your house. But here you have a lot of estates, developing companies, you have a lot of them. So Enugu is actually a very good place for estate business. So, and there's also a lot of developing areas in Enugu. So what the government should do is that the government should encourage investors to come and invest, because you have good areas, you have developing areas in Enugu. So another reason I think you should consider coming to Enugu is because of the location. Enugu is not located in the middle of nowhere, no. And guess what? You all know that Enugu have an international airport, and that's a very good thing. So Enugu have an international airport. It's well located. They have states that are nearby. From Enugu, you can go to Anambra. From Enugu to PH and some other state. From Enugu to Ebonyi State. So Enugu is located in a very good part of this country. So Enugu have a very good location. So another reason I think you should consider relocating to Enugu or visit Enugu is because of entertainment. Like, I love that part of Enugu. Like, as a content creator, Enugu is a good place for you to create content. Like, nobody embarrasses you when you're with your phone, you are making videos, or with your camera. Nobody embarrasses you. Or like some states that when you're on camera, like, what's that? No, don't do that. We don't accept that. But yeah, nobody embarrasses you. Like, it's not new to them because they are used to entertainment. So it's not new for them to see you with your camera, to see you making videos. It's nothing new. And Enugu is a nice place. Like, a lot of videos, a lot of movies, a lot of music videos are being done in Enugu. Take for instance the Egedege video by Gaga, featuring Favor and Teresa Onua was actually done in Enugu. So Enugu is a very good place for entertainment. So if you are in the entertainment industry, you are a content creator, and think you should be thinking of visiting Enugu very soon. There are a lot of nice places for you to visit, make your videos, show the world things about Enugu. So Enugu is really a nice place for entertainment. Nobody embarrasses you because entertainment is not new to them. Nobody stops you from making your videos, from filming in the public. So Enugu is a very good place. I'll be filming in the public, I'll be making video of places, and nobody for once have stopped me. Nobody for once have asked me, what are you doing with your phone? Why are you videoing everywhere? Why are you videoing me? Another reason I think you should consider relocating to Enugu is because Enugu is quite safe and peaceful. I know in this country, nowhere is 100% safe, nowhere is 100% peaceful, but Enugu is still quite okay. Yeah, it might not be 100% safe, it's still quite okay, and there might be areas that are not too good, that you don't get to drive through or move the way you like at night. Yeah, it's everywhere, but to an extent it's still safe and peaceful. So Enugu is quite peaceful. So guys, I've come to the end of my video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you, and if you're new to my channel, you are here to subscribe. Please guys, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and put on the post notification bell. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me one of the good things you love about Enugu. So guys, I'll be making another video to tell you some of the reasons like you might not want to relocate to Enugu. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.